So take a look at this. I've got three sides that could be a triangle, and if they are, what kind? So the first step is to check, do I even have a triangle? So 7 plus 12 is 19. That's greater than 16. I do have a triangle. Good to go. And I should check that just to be sure. Now the question is, how do a squared, b squared, and c squared relate to each other? That goes back to the Pythagorean inequalities. So let's see, 7 squared plus 12 squared, and I need to compare that to 16 squared. So 49 plus 144, compare that to 256. Clean up the one side of the equation. So 49 and 44 puts me at 3. Carry the 1. 5 and 4 is 9. 193. So that would be this way. 193 is less than 256. Or 256 c squared is bigger than 193 a squared plus b squared. So what am I looking at? An obtuse triangle again. And again, if I'd gotten numbers so that this side over here had added up to 256, I'd be looking at a right triangle. And if I got numbers that made it bigger, I'd be looking at an acute.
Well, if C is bigger, then it's obtuse. If C is smaller,
It's acute.
right, and then
If it's just right, then it's right.
it's right.
Exactly.
If it's equilateral.
Well, we'll try that real quick. Give me three numbers for an equilateral. 666. Let's not use that. That's gonna be weird to write. Let's do 777. Okay. How does 7 squared plus 7 squared relate to 7 squared? 49 plus 49 compared to 49, I get 98 compared to 49. 98 is greater than 49. So what does that tell me I'm looking at? Acute, right, or obtuse? Acute. Which makes sense, right? An equilateral triangle has all 60-degree angles in it. All three angles being 60 makes it an acute triangle because they're all acute angles. So this kind of verifies that property we talked about last chapter.